This video introduces HowToData, a free reference website created by teachers and students of data science for teachers and students of data science. What is it good for? Lots of things, but we'll do 3 examples. Let's say you're a student in an intro stats course, but the instructor is using R, and that's a challenge. Anytime you need to apply a stats technique using R, you just come to the website and search. Maybe you need to do a hypothesis test. Well, there are lots of kinds of hypothesis tests. Which one do I need? Here it is, test for a sample mean. The page that comes up shows me what problem the page solves and tells me a bunch of related problems in case I'm in the wrong place. Then there are solutions in multiple programming languages. I don't need Julia, I don't need Python, here's R. I've got the code I need with explanations. I can just copy it, go back over to RStudio and paste it and use it right away. Every one of the solutions on the site has been proofread by a math or stats professor, and the code gets rerun every time the site is built, so these solutions are more trustworthy than a typical thing you'd find by a web search. As a second example, let's say you're a professor teaching a data science course in Python, like I do, but the students are coming from prerequisites that didn't use Python. I still want them to be able to bring all that prerequisite knowledge into our course. So on HowToData, I would visit the topics page, which groups content into courses. Here are the courses from my university. So I find one of the prerequisites my students have taken, and I view its content. I could send my students a link to this page, and they could click any one of these links and see how to solve that problem in a variety of languages, including Python. Or I could just download a PDF summarizing the whole course in Python and share that with my students. HowToData was started at Bentley University, so it began with courses from Bentley on this topics page. But it's easy to add a course for your university if you send us the list of how-tos that are in it. Their solutions are probably already on our site. As a final example, you might want to help contribute to this site to help it grow. So from the main page, you could click this contributing link, and you'd see tons of ways to contribute listed on this page. You can write new content in just about any format. You could write in Microsoft Word, write an R Markdown file in RStudio, or a Jupyter Notebook in Google Colab. The site can incorporate all those formats into its build process. A great way for students to earn extra credit in a stats or data course is to write up some new solutions. Many of my students have done that, and you can see the contributors list here on the site lists many students. That's a quick rundown of this new free resource. It will always be completely free, and you can share it with anyone you like.